Presenting, OnePlus 15R smartphone. It is available in 12GB RAM plus 256GB ROM, and 12GB RAM plus 512GB ROM. It is available in colors, charcoal black, electric violet, and mint breeze. It comes with 12GB RAM memory installed, and 256GB memory storage capacity. It is impossibly smooth with 165Hz display. Witness the 165Hz, 1.5K flagship display perfected for lightning-fast visuals that flow. It has 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 main camera shake-free OIS, and 8-megapixel ultra-wide 112.0 field of view, and has 32-megapixel front camera with autofocus. The OnePlus 15R unchains the soul of a dragon. Paired with LPDDR5X Ultra and UFS 4.1, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 is a lightning storm of benchmark-breaking power. Every swipe instant, your app explodes open, and 120 FPS gaming is truly silky smooth. It has largest ever 7400 mAh battery, powers your unplugged life. The box contains phone case, power adapter, SIM tray ejector, screen protector and USB cable. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay, net banking and cash on delivery. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page. Keep shopping with Amazon.